I'll challenge Bangalore. And the fourth team is Gujarat Titans. This itself, please, we'll have the one photograph.
Good evening, everybody. So, before coming to a program like this, I was very hesitant. I actually didn't want to come, and I was having second thoughts, and I was like, "मेरे पापा ने क्यों इसके लिए मुझे भर्ती कर दिया?" And when I came here, I was like, I think I have entrepreneurs who will be older than me and more experienced, and people who you get intimidated by. But when I walked here, I was like, oh my god, they're just my age and they are still learning. Some of them are studying, some of them have established businesses. And I got so inspired by the fact that I got to network with such like-minded, enthusiastic people. That was the biggest kickstart that I got. And then, yeah, we didn't sleep, we didn't, get to rest ourselves. But today, standing here, I can say that it's all worth it. And at the end of the day, I would also like to thank my father because this is the best thing he can do for me. And any parent can do for their child to get their kids scale up their dreams and be a part of their life.
Not a person who can last without at least 7 to 8 hours of sleep. And I slept for less than 4 hours. And it is all thanks to the faculty. I am extremely motivated and it was an amazing experience and I'm so glad, and I really wish my father was here to attend the sessions. He would have loved it for one reason, and I love the sessions for one particular reason. It's because sir spoke exactly like my father. And that's why I enjoyed the session so much, sir, because I could see my father standing here and talking to me. The way you guided me throughout each and every part, I think it was just amazing. And Chandigarh se aana definitely worth it. I was scared that I would face a little bit of a language barrier because the accent is a little different. Even with my own team, I felt I would, have a problem. But all of them were very patient with me and they explained things to me when they were talking in another language. And even sir, I asked him thrice, 4 times that, please can you repeat because I didn't understand. And the patience, the motivation, the way you pulled in the exercises when we were all feeling sleepy, I think that was the best part. Thank you so much for that. And I really hope that I can attend this again soon. And I'm definitely sending all of my friends here as well. Thank you.
Indra from the south and she's from almost east. Center पे है लेकिन So Rashi from Nagpur.
हेलो एवरीवन, आई फील लाइक कि जो भी मैं सोचा था कि मैं बोलूँगी वो सब बोल चुके हैं लोग. सही भी है, लाइक द एक्टिविटीज दे वर रियली इंटरेक्टिव एंड दे वर फन. एंड आई फील लाइक कि बिजनेस सेमिनार्स बहुत सारे होते हैं एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप के, बट दैट इज़ व्हाट मेड एवरीथिंग मेमोरेबल. एंड आई डोंट थिंक कि हम में से कोई भी ये दिए गए लेसन्स कभी भूलने वाला है आगे. थैंक्स टू सर, बहुत अच्छे से सिखाया सर ने. एंड आई वुड लाइक टू थैंक द एंटायर टीम कि बहुत ही अच्छे से सब कुछ मैनेज हुआ. एंड वी आर रियली थैंकफुल फॉर दिस अपॉर्चुनिटी. थैंक यू.
President of Rotary Club of Chandivali. So I'd gone for one of the trainings, and over there I met someone who is a banker. I'm also a banker actually. So I was just telling them how I'm not liking my job and I would want to do something else, maybe start my own business, but I don't know how to do it. And luckily, just the very next day, Pankaj sir, so he announced that there's this program happening by Borivali Club and Startup Agrakas. I thought it sounded good. So I asked him the details and then I contacted sir and I asked him. And I really felt as if this was meant for me, because I've been wanting to start something of my own since a lot of time, but नहीं पता रहता कभी-कभी बहुत लोगों को, because you don't know anyone from business background. So I was really excited about this program and it actually delivered all that I was looking for and much more than that. Like I would say sir and all of them were really good faculties, like be it Jayaraman sir or Guru sir, Kavin sir and Shabri sir. All of them, they were so attentive, used to guide us so well, and not even for a moment, I felt that it was boring, or none of us felt it was boring, because there were so many activities and we bonded so well with the team. It was really good, and and it was also very inspiring to meet so many different people, because a lot of them already have businesses and such great ideas. And I would just want to say that it helped us all come up with a lot of ideas which maybe we wouldn't have done. So yeah, this is a really good program, and everyone should do it, whoever wants to do it.
Yeah, neighbor. I'm currently working in Baroda. First of all, I would like to thank Ashish uncle and Ketan auntie. They are my second family basically. So I got to know about this through them, the Rotary Club. They have a great contribution in this club for the last 2-3 years, which they are working very hard. More than that, 2-3 साल से तो बहुत ही आप काम कर रहे हो, like वैसा मिलते ही नहीं है बिल्डिंग जाता तो. So I came here on Friday. I came one day before attending this session to make myself prepare. I am oldest among all of them. I know the potential they have. So I wanted one day to prepare myself. Because they have a very good head start. The day I came, Friday we started. Within couple of hours I was hooked in. Yes, this is worth it. Jay sir has amazing human skills, the way he talks, the way he keeps engaging people, and he has great assistants and a guru and guru sir, right? Yeah. Guru sir, yes. They kept track of each and everything needed for a human to excel in each sector: fitness, mental health, communication skills, whatever, marketing skills. Very well structured, sir. Hats off to you, sir. Hats off. Hats off. The structure is so good, so good. There is no one like this structure. लोग आते हैं, बात करते हैं, thank you करके जाओ. Right? I bet at least 10 जन business चालू कर देंगे. At least 10. I'm one of them. 9 जन बाकी देख लो. He is doing good. Aditya is doing good. Yes. So the learnings I took from the course, I would say the overall learnings. Being the oldest, I feel I'm handling my family business right now. So for the past 6-7 years, I've been doing good. Stability is there. I want to scale it up. There are prospects lining up. Finances are nice. All everything's done. शादी वादी को कोई tension नहीं है अभी. Right? I had a fear in me. I had lost time. You gave me 10 years back, sir. I feel like 19 again. Right? You get my point? Yeah. So the information I've got today, if I say I work 100 works a day, from tomorrow I can do 500 works a day. So that's the basic power that these guys have given us. And you also, sir. इन्होंने तो सिर्फ घर के लिए बिजनेस के लिए समझाया, आप ग्लोबल लेके गए डायरेक्ट. So the scale of potential we have, and as a community, as a country also. So आप अकेले 1000 करोड़ का कर सकते हो. Like if he can, he told us it starts from 1. We have at least 50 of us. 50 जन तो बिजनेस कर ही रहे यहाँ पे. So just imagine the potential we have. As a community, as a nation, as friends, family, whatever, right? So applause for all of us, all, everyone. Thank you, and thank you, Rotary Club.
With the Rotary family, and today to see the Rotary members behind sitting with us till 12 o'clock in the night. They were literally, even I feel like Sir acknowledged that all the Rotary members were sitting and listening attentively till 12, till everyone left, which was amazing. At any time anyone fell sick, the Rotary members were there with nimbu pani, juice, whatever the person needed. So that was great to have Rotary Club of Borivali organize this event and be great hosts. Coming to the workshop was something that like I've never seen before, and I've been to a lot of workshops. So one thing that I would like to point out that me and my sister Haley, so I have my sister also who's been participating in the workshop. We want to make the most of whatever opportunities Rotary gives us. So there was this one thing that sir kept doing. Every time anyone answered, even if it was the wrong answer, even if it was the right answer, he was giving us money. And by the end of it, every single person was participating. People who wouldn't normally speak up, I feel like Haley is shy. So she wouldn't normally like raise her hand and answer, but she was answering every single question by the end of the workshop. Which is so good. They're not just building like entrepreneurs, they're also building leaders now. So to instill that amount of confidence is in itself a wonderful thing. Everyone, the entire faculty of the workshop, everyone, all this is amazing job. Even like when we had any doubts, we could approach anyone and discuss with them. Even I feel like a lot of people have approached regarding their personal businesses, and sir guided them on that. So that's wonderful. To have that sort of networking here, amazing. It was a wonderful event to be a part of, and I'd recommend it to every single person.
I just want to talk about a little backstory. So, as everyone knows, my father himself is a businessman, and he himself is into teaching. He loves teaching. And in the month of March, he got to know about this. He traveled all the way and attended one of the Railas happening in the south. And then that's where the blooming of this whole idea started. And I've been seeing these two working effortlessly day and night to just make this happen. And I would love to appreciate the couple who have worked so much, and I'm happy to announce that I think it's a successful one. Everyone loved it. So I just wanted to mention especially for these two. So yeah.
Number 2, Shivam. Number 3, number 4, Dia. Shravya. Harshit. Dia. Payal. Kashyap. Namashri. Neha. Namashri. Swayam. Rashi. I have to appreciate the two teams which made the other two teams win. So the team is going to get the silver medal and 1,500 rupees cash prize from the hands of our past district governor Muthu Anachi, Chennai Super Kings. I invite all the members of Chennai Super Kings.